Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the criteria A4, detailed design brief which summarizes the analysis of relevant research. So two keyword, design brief and summary of the research. The research you have done in criteria A1, 2 and 3, especially criteria 2 and 3, that we have to summarize and we have to prepare a design brief. So what is this design brief is about? It is a document where the comprehensive detail will be over there, which will guide you throughout your project, which exactly will specify what you are going to do and what are the limitations of over there. Why it is important? This document is the guiding document where you will come back again and again during your project to understand what are the scope and the limitation of the project. What are the information, data, research is required. What are the essential elements of a good design brief? So when we are talking about this, I have prepared this one specially for the e-portfolio. So first thing is that the significance of the topic and the problem. The scenario you have taken, the problem you have taken, what the importance of it, why it is worth researching and the giving the solution. Here I want to mention another point, students, like the 6 points we are, the 9 points we are going to discuss over here. If you use them as a guiding question, you can make a good design brief. So next, come to the next point, that is the target solution. So first, after telling about the what is the significance of the problem, next you will talk about the target solution. What kind of solution you are going to give. Now students, here you need to remember is that here you are not specify exactly what the solution, like you will not mention that the website or app or the video, but a solution you are going to provide which may have like 1 2 3 4 this kind of feature, and then how it is going to help the target audience, what are the objectives, goals of the new system. Next is the briefing, the summary of your primary and the secondary research. Whatever the primary information and the research you have gathered, so summary will be over there. You are not again going to repeat the same point, but what is the main findings that you are going to put over here. Then comes the look and the style, the theme will be according to the problem and the target audience. It will depend on the target audience and the problem, and it must change. It should not be same for the all the target audience. Next is the budgeting. So before budgeting also you need to know about the what are the available materials and what are the required materials. When if we are, as we are only talking about the digital e-portfolio, digital solution, so over there what are the softwares you require, like when you are making the product, what software you require, whether you need to buy that one, whether it is compatible in your machine or not. While designing, if you want to buy some new laptop or not, that everything you need to mention. Then the budgeting, then the schedule. Last and not the least is the scope of the project. So what do you mean by the scope of the project? Suppose you are making a app for your community. The who are the newcomers are coming, they feel lost over there. So for them you are making a app so that when they come in, they just register in the app and they will get all the relevant information about the community, like the what are the services are available, the carpenter, plumber, and then availability of the community hall, what are the tariffs over there, what are the rules and regulation, who are the person, who are the nearest doctor, medicine shop over there, everything will be mentioned over there. So but you have thought because you found this problem in your community, so you are giving a solution. Now it can happen the same app can be used in the, can be used for the other community also, then your scope of the project is bigger, so that also you need to mention.